Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making something very sweet, very yummy, very tasty, everybody's favorite, my favorite, your favorite, kids favorite. That is the chocolate cake which we are going to prepare on our frying pan in just 15 minutes. No oven, no egg, nothing required. Very simple, very quick to prepare, very tasty, very delicious. And the second thing is our coconut uh, laddu which we'll be preparing, which is also very quick, which we'll be preparing, and it is very tasty, very yummy, very healthy because we are going to use organic good in that. And the occasion for today why we are making sweet is that my princess birthday is there today, so I'll be showing you the birthday girl also. First, let us just start cooking and get started with it. Come on. Okay, so I'll just start with the ingredients. I'll be taking half cup of maida. Right now I've not taken as a measurement. I'll show you as per the measurements. This I've just taken maida, which I'll be taking half cup. I'll be taking sugar. This is powdered sugar. You can use also normal sugar also. You can use your jaggery in place of that. Since I'm preparing it for an occasion, I'm using the powdered sugar. You can replace it with your normal jaggery if you want to make it healthy. Okay, the second thing that we need is 2 tablespoons of your cocoa powder. Okay, you will require your ENO around 1/4 teaspoon. You will require half cup of warm water. You will require 3 tablespoons of oil. I'll just put it when I'm making it. I'll show you when the recipe is going on. I'll be putting around some amount of lemon juice, that is around half teaspoon, some choco chips and some dark chocolate for the decoration. Okay, so this is the first recipe ingredient, and vanilla extract I have taken just to add on to the essence. So the first ingredients are here, and now just let us start the recipe making. Now I'm adding around 1/4 cup of warm water. Okay, this is the measurement. Just mix it. I'm adding around 3 tablespoons of oil. Just mix this. And add another 1/4 cup, that is half cup of water, lukewarm water. So I have added around half cup of lukewarm water. Okay, now I'll be adding lemon juice and ENO. So lemon juice is around half teaspoon. Okay, and we'll be putting ENO, that is also around 1/4 teaspoon. Just mix it. Now just preheat your pan for 10 minutes, and we are just going to pour this back. Now let us just grease the pan. I'm using the frying pan because we all know, we think that without the cake tin how are we going to prepare it. So I'm just showing you how you can prepare it. Just pour the batter properly into it. Now I'm adding few more choco chips for the decoration on top, and just pat it properly so that there is no air bubble into it. So now this is already preheated. Okay, we place this pan, cover the lid and keep it on slow flame for around 15 minutes. After 15 minutes we are going to check it out. So now by the time a second recipe will start with the ingredients, this I have taken grated coconut. Okay, I'll be preparing coconut laddu. So there are very basic and few ingredients that are required. This is coconut grated. This is jaggery, organic jaggery I have used. If you don't want to use jaggery, you can also replace it with your date ka paste. Okay, you can use that also. I have taken some dry fruits. So I am just going to grind this out. Okay, I have taken red color just to look beautiful so that my sweetheart eats it. Okay, and around 2 teaspoons of ghee. That's it, that will be required. Okay, so just let's start making now. Making the dry fruit paste. Okay, just few almonds, cashew nuts. You can add walnuts, any dates, any nuts of your choice. So let's just start. We'll be taking around 1 cup of grated coconut. So this is a 1 cup of grated coconut. To this we are just going to add around half cup of your jaggery powder. And we are going to put this powdered dry fruit. Now I'm just going to put this raisins, small raisins or kishmish, what you call it. I'm not grated that, so I'll just put it like that way only. Now I'm just going to heat the pan, add around 2 teaspoons of ghee to it, pour this batter into that. So let's see now. So now as you can see, this side our cake is getting prepared. I've just added the cloth so that there is no air getting out. Okay, now I'm adding around just 2 teaspoons of oil, ghee. Okay, I've used desi ghee. This is our homemade desi ghee. Avoid using hydrogenated dalda. Okay, so I've just melted it. You can even add elaichi powder if you want. Now I'll just put this. Warm it little bit so that it becomes easier for us to make the laddus. Now I'm just adding around 1 drop of red color into it, just to give that color. That's it. Put off the gas and just pour this batter. Now just start making the laddus. I've added little more copra, grated copra to it. So if you want, you can add, because it's really very sweet and I want it little less sweet. Now let us just check, because it's almost 15 minutes. See, it's almost done. There is nothing, so that means just properly cooked. So just put off the flame and let it cool down a little bit. Okay, so as a birthday girl wants it to be pink, so we are just rotating it inside some white dry coconut powder, such for decoration. This is basically optional. You can surely avoid it if you want. Okay, so this was our 2 menu for the birthday girl. Okay guys, so my stand is not working today, so I'll just grate this little bit and show you how I'm going to decorate the cake. Okay, just let us start with this. This amount of chocolate I've taken, just very little amount of chocolate. Now I'll just remove the cake and show you how you're going to do the decoration. These are the 2 recipes that we have made. तो ये है हमारी बर्थडे गर्ल, स्माइल करो। कितने साल की हुई? 4। व्हाट इज़ योर नेम? Ashna, happy birthday.